Both interactions provide educational and entertainment services for all ages to enjoy, holding in mind the core values of impacting the community through positive social interaction. Our interactive presentations are filled with games and fun exercises that is sure to excite, all while emphasizing the important life lessons that will resonate for years to come. Small or large, we are here to bridge that gap between people and technology. Together, creating unforgettable moments. Unlocking the power within, one interaction at a time. With both interactions, the possibilities are endless.